Alright guys, we got the Ford Escape 2008. Let's take your screwdriver and go between the pad and the rotor. We're using the screwdriver to push the caliper piston in, prying it so it makes it easier to take the caliper off when you loosen the bolts. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, there you go. Alright, now we're going to move this clip off. We're going to pry that out. Let's see right there. Put that in there. Now all you got to do is pull it. There you go, guys. You see that? Pretty simple, huh? Put a little screwdriver there, put it in there, and make some room. Alright guys, we're gonna take these little dust covers off. You can take a little pocket screw like I did. Use them all the time. I'm gonna buy some of these and put my name on it. Little dust caps. We got a 9mm Allen socket. So I'll have a link in the description. These are kind of, not all sets have them. I think 2008, I'm not sure if certain models take the 9mm and other ones take the 7. So yeah, so just make sure you have the right tool. Alright guys, just remember this is the passenger side, this is righty tighty lefty loosey. On the driver's side it's opposite, it's left-handed threads. It is the opposite direction. There you go. There you go, one down. Alright, I did have a hook on the other one. Alright guys, with the caliper off, we're going to leave that brake shoe in there because I'm going to press it in here in a minute. And I'm just going to slide this over here. You can kind of just lay it over there. And these are the 18mm. You have that or impact. I can show you this way. There's another way you can do it. Or have a longer pry bar. 18mm. You always got to make it like weird sizes. Alright, we got the caliper mount off. Hey guys, sometimes these can be hard, but sometimes you just hit them and it'll come off. There you go, not too bad. Alright guys, I got the AC Delco brake rotors. Try to get a little better of a rotor, better quality. I don't know if it's a little, not much more money, guys. I'll put the link in the description. AC Delco is a decent brand. You see that it comes with this one. It comes with a bag and it has some stuff on it. All right, guys, I just flipped it over on the wrong side so I could just spray some, but just kind of clean it off. So you can just wipe it off. Good way to hold it in place. If you want to put a bolt on it, you can just to hold it, just to wipe off the the film they put it for nut rusting. All right. Go. Clean this one off. Alright, there you go. And I'm going to do is put a bolt on it just to hold it in spot so it doesn't try to move. We're going to put the caliper bracket back on. And I like to clean these up. So you just get in there. And I'll show you after I'm done. Alright guys, you can see it kind of cleaned up the grooves. Just make sure it's nice and that's where the brake slides on. So just get a good scrub down, spray with brake clean, and there you go. Caliper bolt bracket back on. You have to I recommend you can get if you want to get a torque wrench. For legal reasons, get a torque wrench. Definitely tight enough. This one's a little small, but it still works. Use it all the time, man. It's a great tool. All right, guys. Right now, I left that brake shoe in that piston right now. So the old brake shoe's in that piston right now. That's what we're using to push the piston back in. 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. So we're gonna get our impact. All right, guys. I left the show. I didn't even take it out because I was gonna do this anyway. So you could just leave it in there before when you're ready to press the piston in. So do it any way you want. You can get a C clamp, do the same thing. All done. Take this out. We are going to grease the pins. I'm going to grease the pins now. Clean them off. Give them a little oil change. This is important because these seize up, man. Your brakes will not wear right. Put it on there. Some new. I got some super lube, multi-purpose synthetic grease. I'll put a link in the description for the one you need. Kind of work it back and forth. Get it all lubed up in there. What you want to do is you want to slide it back and forth. We lube on there. Everything you'll see and I'll put in the description. And there you go. Alright guys, we got some Bendix brakes. I guess these are premium brakes. I tried these ones out is because Bendix that's what they do is make brakes. They make it for heavy equipment. I mean heavy big trucks, 18-wheelers. So they have a good product, so why not put it on your car, right? They can stop big 18-wheelers. So, and they weren't that expensive either. No, $30 I think. I was looking for just a better quality brake. Yeah. So I'll put the link in the description for you. Let's put them on. And they give you new clips. Alright guys, let's put the shoes on, and with the little clip you just push it inside the caliper piston. Simple as that, so like that. I'm going to push these way out, these bolts. Nice and lubed up, ready to go. Nice and clean. Alright guys, we got our 9mm. Let's tighten them back up over here. You guys can see that real good. Let's move you over here. There you go, man. Alright guys, we're going to put that new clip on. Let's see if we can do it with the new one's a little harder because it's new. So let's see what we can do here. Put that right there. There like that. Down right over there. Simple, simple. Make sure you tap it in there. Alright guys, all done. Not too bad at all. I'll link in the description. Will be in the listings, so you can, if you want to, I'll put a whole kit together. So cool. Just clean it up, nice and clean now. Brand new brakes. Cool.